Do you maintain a stable and appropriate body weight? Hello, I'm David Heber, chairman of the Herbalife Nutrition Institute and the Nutrition Advisory Board. For those of you who don't know what metabolism is, it's the calories that your body burns in order for you to breathe, support blood circulation, maintain organ function, and extract energy from your food. Your body burns calories much like a car burns fuel. But as most of us are painfully aware, some cars just don't get the same miles per gallon. So how do we burn calories more quickly? A common misconception is that your genes determine your metabolic rate. In fact, we often blame our slow metabolism for our inability to keep our weight under control. While there are differences among individuals in their metabolism, the main factor influencing how many calories you burn each day is your lean body mass. So the truth is that your metabolism is largely in your control, based on how much protein you eat and the exercise you do every day. You can maintain or increase your metabolism with a diet that supplies the amount of protein your body needs, coupled with a reduced calorie diet and regular exercise. When coupled with strength training exercise, protein can help your body build muscle. And if you also reduce your calorie intake, you can reduce body fat. As you increase your muscle mass, your metabolic rate will also rise. That's because every pound of fat-free mass on your body burns about 14 calories per day. And that's just at rest. Now, it's true that your metabolic rate will slow down a bit when you cut your calorie intake. Your body will try to conserve the fuel it has when it knows that it has less of it, but this is a small change. We can offset this small change by burning more calories each day through a healthy, active lifestyle. Engaging in 30 minutes of activity every day will increase your daily calorie burn and help to maximize your metabolic rate. For added nutritional support, try Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate, a refreshing tea that contains caffeine which can boost your feeling of energy as you change your diet. It tastes great, hot or cold, and comes in a convenient ready-to-mix powder. The energetic feeling makes a great substitute for carb-heavy snacks as you stay on a calorie reduction program. Also try Herbalife Tota Control tablets as a complement to your weight management regimen. Tota Control dietary supplement contains a proprietary blend of tea extracts and caffeine which quickly stimulates metabolism and provides an energetic and alert feeling. You can order these or any other Herbalife products today from your independent Herbalife member.